Siege coming, siege coming, siege coming. Heal nice siege in front. Oh my god, you're dead. Oh, just hold. Just hold. 6 seconds, boys, 6 seconds, just wait. Hold, boys, hold. Careful. Marika, potion. On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate. Alright, come back. Bomb coming in deep. Hold them. Heal up front line. Heal up. Spread only. We have bombs to counter first. Just wait. Siege bow on the west side. Yo, Marlica, don't stay on the west side. Stop staying on the west side. Okay. Yo, careful on this. Careful on the jug. Yo, they have engage coming in. Ready defenses. They have engage coming in. Hold on. Just wait. Marlica, get ready. Shallow west side. Wait, shallow. Hold. Wait. Come back. Just hold. Yo, somebody open the chest, by the way.
You're looking.
Looking. Careful.
Sage boy, engage. Just engage.
Yeah, so. Yo, Muki looking. Ready defense. Tanks. Look at the back line. Yo, defense shallow. Inside only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside only. No, listen. The second engage gonna come. Full defend now. Second engage coming. Defenses and heal up. Defenses and heal up only. Nice. Just heal up. Yo, listen. Just survive. Heal up on me. Heal up on me, boys. Heal up on me.
Sage boy.
Yo, get ready, Marlica. Look at southwest shallow on the choke. Get ready. Yo, step up. Southwest. Get ready. West side. Deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep on me. Now come back. Pull back. Tanks peel now. Full peel. They're walking. Defense inside. Okay, come back inside. Heal up. Regear fast, okay? Regear fast, boys. Yo. Just hold. It's okay. Just hold only. Heal up. Regear fast. Yo, Marlica, get ready. Southwest shallow. Yo, engage coming. Heal up. Defend inside. I'm dead. Yo, somebody call. Somebody stream. Just hold inside. Come inside castle. Somebody stream fast. Hello?
They walking in. They flooding.
Yeah, just come inside. Okay, good. Just hold. Okay?
Mother, just no.
Oh, no. Just hold inside.
I'm
Careful, okay? Yo, look at the shield, okay? Look at the shield. Just wait. I'm coming back.
Walang mark parking.
Godong, Mark Dandy, Godong.
Yo, careful over the wall. Listen. They have a range bomb. Careful over the wall. They have a range bomb. Be careful of their bomb squad, boys. Be careful of their bomb squad. Just come back. Okay, just hold. Just mark Dandy, man. Why are you fucking telling me? Mark him.
I'm spamming, okay? I'm spamming.
Yo, careful. Listen, careful. Yo, Leopay, Kajax, Kaba, you still good, right? Okay. I'm gonna wait for your gears, okay? We make them enter, then we just, we push them soon, okay? We push them once they gate break or once I back. Just hold for now.
For siege bow bombs.
Yo, listen, careful of the siege bow bomb. Marlica, do not feed their bomb squad. Tanks, get ready, okay? Tanks,
Okay.
you listen. The BMS just stop them from smashing gate. Push them away.
Okay.
Careful, do not stay on the choke. Dandy, what are you doing? You're gonna die if you keep doing that shit, man. Careful, boys. Careful. Hold on, just hold. Yo, listen. Junior, just keep faking on the choke. Okay? Just wait. I'm near. I'm downfield fan already. Just hold, boys. Careful. Yo, get ready. Marlica, shallow. On the gate, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Come back fast. They're gonna counter. Come back fast, boys.
Hardcore died. What the fuck?
They're
Yo,
looking.
the DPS, can you come to me? The DPS here.
%63% hit.
Come northeast. Kick him in northeast. Yo, help OB. Yo, we need a healer here. Wait. Sorry, OB. I need to sacrifice you. I'm just gonna regear you. Yeah, I need. There's gankers here in Vena. Be careful on the choke. Marlica, stop staying on the east side choke. If the siege bow hits there, you die. Stop staying on the east side choke. Just hold. How many percent of the gate? 60%?
Yeah.
Okay, just hold, just hold, just hold.
30 now, 30 now, 30 now.
Yo,
30
30%
now.
of the gate, oh. 30% of the gate. Malika, get ready. Hold on. Yo, listen. Come inside Lord Room. Wait. Come inside Lord Room.
Duff. Oh my god.
Yo, why you guys die there in the front? Come inside Lord
Another
Room. Yeah, just hold. Careful over the southwest wall. They can engage over the wall. Heal up. Ready, Malika, just wait. Tanks, get ready to control them on the south side. Everyone Lord Room, inside Lord Room. Hey, just hold. Gate's about to break soon. Listen. Gate's about to break soon. Okay, just wait.
It's broken.
Yo, listen. Spread north side. Yo, just hold them on that choke. Do not let them pass through. Okay, do not let them pass through. I'm near. Just hold. Yo, what's that? On the sorry side. Hold on.
Bomb looking.
Just wait. Careful if siege bomb engage. Defend shallow. They engage you shallow. Careful.
Push it.
Siege bow gonna come. Careful, boy. Siege bow gonna come.
English already.
Siege bow gonna come.
Mookie looking.
Yeah. Careful, boys. Careful.
Full over the wall, guys.
I'm here. I'm back. Okay. Yo, wait. Okay, just hold now. Listen. Get ready, boys. Get ready.
May brawl squad sila sa isa.
Yeah. I saw their brawl squad. Yo. Hold. Yo, listen. Tanks. Can you step out south side? Tanks, step out south side. Yo, listen, Leopard. They have a brawl squad on the east side. We can push this west side, okay? Yo, listen. Yo, come to me here. Everyone come south side. Just come. Spread. Yo, listen. Yo, bombs, I need help. Yo, listen, defend shallow. Everyone, listen. Tanks walking. Tanks walking. Guardians on the choke. Get ready. Give me a fake now. Hold. Everyone, deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep on me. Full defend also. Kill everything inside. Yo, listen. Spread east side. They're coming in. Defend inside now. Heal up front line. Good. Just hold. Heal up. Kill everything inside. Kill all tank inside.
Siege bow looking.
Siege bow gonna come. Ready. Hold, boys. Hold. Malika, get ready. Inside. Look at me. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Come back. Hold. Listen. Don't go too deep. Yeah. I'm not pushing. I'm just killing tanks. Chill.
Going south.
Mookie goes east.
He going south. Okay, Mookie going south. Careful.
Elbow over the wall. Careful.
Careful over the wall, ah. Careful over the wall. Listen. Just hold here. Tanks, watch the front line. Get ready to hold them down on the choke, like we practiced earlier. Be careful. Do not stay on the choke, boys. Marika, get ready. They're looking over the wall. Just hold. Yo, get ready. Potion. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Come back fast, boys. Come back fast. Heal up. Yeah, help my bomb come back. Just hold. We good. Oh, boys, just wait. Yo, Malika, get ready. Malika, come to me. Listen, get ready your potion. Listen, potion now. Southwest of the gate. Choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choke. Headbutt. Engage. Come back. Another engage ka na come, okay? Come back. Yo, listen. You guys should have anticipated that headbutt there, Marlika. Come back. Anticipate that headbutt. Earlier demons, earlier defenses.
Yo, too many looting. Oh my god. God damn.
You fucking dumb fucks, man. Everyone, west side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side shallow.
Gago, malayo ka.
Come back. Hold on. Tanks, be careful. Malika, come to me. Just come to me. Malika, get ready. Malika, hold. Heal up. Oh my god. Cell is dead. Cell got fucking murdered. Spread. Careful. Yo, Malika, shallow east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow east side. Come back fast. Tanks, peel. Peel. Listen, just wait. Spread more west side, boys. Spread more west side. Not on the choke, boys. Not on the choke. Do not follow the bomb squad. Yo, listen. Ready. Heal up front line. Malika, ready defense up the front. Spread southwest. Ready defense up the front. Careful. Hold on E. Shallow, get ready. Wait. Hold on E. Can my ballistas dismount this tank in front of me? This fucking bastion in front of me, man.
The bastion. Focus the bastion.
This bastion in front of me. Hello? This bastion inside our Zerg. Yo, listen. Can I get a very fast pull? Yo, everyone get ready. Hold. Northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Shallow only. Come back. They have another engage. They're looking shallow. Careful, boys. Come back. Just wait, boys. Listen, just hold. Careful. Hold on. Yo, boys, my engage shallow is so bad. My engage shallow is so bad. Can you guys do better? Yo, listen. They're looking. Give me defense shallow. Wait. They have another engage, okay? Just wait. Yo, listen. Walk in now. Potion. Give me full defend. Walking deep. Deep. On the choke southeast. Deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep southeast now. Everyone come back. Pull back. They're funneling in. Tanks hold them. They're funneling in. Tanks hold them. Spread southwest side. Yo, defend on my backline. Heal on my backline. Marlika, get ready. Look at me. We're gonna turn in 5 seconds. Ready. We're gonna full turn on 5 seconds. Marlika, find me. On the choke. Ready. Hold. On the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the choke now. Choke now. Alright, come back. Spread and heal up. Spread west side, boys. Malika, spread west side. Why you guys on the northwest? Defend. Stop staying on the boys. Stop staying on the choke. Defend. Heal front line. Come north now. Fuck it, man. Come north room. Tanks hold them. We're gonna full turn on the choke. Get ready. On the choke. South on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South on the choke. Come back. Tanks hold. Spread inside. Spread in Lord room. They're gonna engage inside. Defend inside. Heal up on me.